Welcome to my first ever race review. Before we begin, thank you for 20 subscribers. I tried recording something earlier, but people kept taking the car I needed for the special thing. I was going to use the Tony Stewart 20 car because 20 subscribers on that NASCAR racing and crashing Daytona game on Roblox. I tried to do burnout. I might try it again. But anyway, that's not the point. Truck race just ended. Screw you, roads. From what I was hearing, I don't have cable, so I watch through a YouTuber, Dale Davis. Pretty good. I can hear the race, so I can have a good idea what's going on. In this race, it's as if we had a bunch of people who didn't know what the fuck they were doing. Honestly. Who's that guy again? Whoever he is, do you think he regrets coming back to the truck series? Anyway, stage winners, Nematodes, John Hunter Nematodes, and someone else. We had a big one. Isn't that something you expect to see out of Talladega? A big one that causes a red flag. Took out a bunch of guys, took out Timmy. Actually, no, it didn't. It wiped out the KBM trucks. Like, Friesen caused that one, but he got away clean. Now we have that bitch, Ben Rhodes, on the front row, along with Friesen. Haley D, until she had to repair her damage. We get it back under green after like an hour of caution. Seriously, NASCAR. If you try to push the caution as long as you possibly can, that's kind of manipulating the race a little bit. Unless you're actually trying, but honestly. We restart, Friesen crashes, Klingerman, something like that. No, I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't expect one for the Xfinity Series tomorrow, okay? But Friesen, fries on top, gets crashed. We have another long yellow, which is extended because of that stupid damage repair policy. You have to rush to fix the damn car. You have to rush to fix it instead of just taking your time. And actually fixing it. But instead, Friesen's crew had to rush it. Honestly, why did that truck not go to the back in the beginning? He had to rush it. His crew, oh yeah. Sheldon got the lead from Rhodes. But, had to rush it. I don't know. But they had to rush it, drop debris, and extended the caution. I might have to make a video on what I'd do if I was in charge of NASCAR. You know what? Video idea. Tomorrow. I'll do it. Or today, depending upon when you're watching this. Or it already happened, depending upon when you're watching this. But yeah, Creed holds the lead after another caution. We actually make it to the white flag. And then Haley Deegan wrecks it. I was rooting for her at the end. A little bit. Until she had to repair her damage. She wrecks it off turn 4, coming to the line on the white, and that brings out the caution. And screw you, Ben Rhodes. That's all I really care about. Ben Rhodes losing, Sheldon Creed winning. I think Sheldon's probably going to be like my second favorite driver to Crafton. Crafton's my favorite for some reason. I'm not gonna try to explain why. But yeah, Sheldon wins. Rhodes second. Javier something. That guy, he gets a pretty good run. Timmy Hill. Timmy! 7th. Gotta love it. Anyway, thanks for listening to me ramble as if I have no idea what the hell I'm talking about, which I don't. I fully accept that, okay? You don't have to yell at me in the comment section. I fully accept that. I fully accept it. Thanks for watching if you are. I'll see you tomorrow for a video. Subscribe. What? What has happened? Well, I think my room's haunted. I gotta go. See ya.